Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you a very budget-friendly GoPro tether you can make so you never lose a GoPro off your motorcycle. I don't know if you guys have recorded and lost a GoPro, but I lost my first one last weekend. And I was a little bit pissed off when I got home. You know, these little suckers, they're not exactly the cheapest things in the world. I run old ones because fuck it. So they're not the most expensive things in the world. But nonetheless, it's not fun to lose a GoPro. So I thought of a little way to secure my GoPro to the bike. That way, if I have a mount failure, I don't lose my GoPro. I'll take a couple pictures of this and clip it in, but I just have a nice piece of wire here. Cut it out of my good old Nissan engine harness, the mother of wire. Tied it over here. I probably tied like 8 knots. That bitch ain't going nowhere. Ran it through a little grommet here. This was cross-threaded, so there is no fucking bolt. And that'll allow me to slide my GoPro right in. I'm going to put a GoPro in, show you guys what the actual view angle looks like. I'm going to have it facing rear tonight, but can also reverse it. That way I can look at the good old booty shots. And right there you can see it's just a standard rear view. When I go ahead and toss my rear cowl on, you know, it all fits pretty good, nothing's overstressed. And at the end of the day, if there is a mount failure, it'll fucking hold it on. And it was an extremely simple design. Let me get this off here. So all this really is a piece of wire tied going through a grommet, and then right here I have a little wire connector that just screws in on the side of the GoPro mount with the bolt. Right now, the way I have all this set up, I do have to actually unscrew the GoPro mount and change the angle of it in order to remove it from the bike fully. But for my purposes right now, and really this bike only goes from the garage to riding and back into the garage, that's absolutely okay with me. Alright, well, I hope this was somewhat useful to you guys, because losing a GoPro really fucking sucks. Right on.